creamy shrimp gnocchi. So I've got a pan with a little bit of olive oil. It's not up too high. And then I'm gonna sprinkle on some lemon pepper seasoning. Quite a bit, I'm pretty generous with this stuff. All right, so I'm gonna let it cook on the first side with the lid on, and then I'll take the lid off, flip them over, and let them finish cooking on the second side. Okay, look at these shrimp. All right, so look in this pan, Alex. This is what you call just a shrimpy heaven right here. And I'm gonna add some wine, and I'm gonna really crank the heat now and let that start to bubble up and reduce. So I'm gonna move forward with the sauce, cream, and then mascarpone cheese, a whole bunch of lemon zest. So this is the zest of 2 lemons, and then a good couple of spoonfuls of pesto. Add some salt and pepper, and give this a stir so the mascarpone can start to melt, but this is just gonna become more and more creamy, more and more dreamy. And this is a good time to add the gnocchi to the boiling water. All right, so the gnocchi's gonna take 3 minutes, and by that time, the sauce will be a little thicker, and I'll pull this meal together. So the gnocchi's ready. I've got my handy little spider tool, and I'm just gonna plunge it right into the sauce. Okay, and then my second freezer ingredient, frozen peas, and these puppies are frozen. Look at this.
Wow.
Check it out. It looks incredible. And we don't want to forget the shrimp. Just slide those right in. By the time you get the shrimp tossed in, the peas are thawed and everything is hot and piping and wonderful, and I love it. How good does this look, you guys?
Wow.
The lemon just makes everything look pretty. You don't have to add lemon to the top. It's been a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.